We shall now discuss two important properties of triangle. First is law of sine and second is law of cosine. These laws related the lengths of sides of a triangle with its angles. First we will discuss law of sines. The law of sine is an equation relating the length of the sides of a plane triangle to the sine of its angles. It can be stated as follows. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are proportional to the sine of the angles opposite to them. That is, in triangle ABC we have A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C, where ABC denotes the length of BC, CA and AB respectively. Consider a triangle ABC such that A, B and C denote the lengths of BC, CA and AB. Draw the altitude from vertex C to meet the side AB in D. In triangle ADC we can find sine A. In triangle BDC we can find sine B. Then CD equal to B sine A we can make equation 1 and CD equal to A sine B we can make equation number 2. Triangle ABC we have vertex C. We can draw the altitude from vertex C on AB. We can find sine A and sine B. From equation 1 and 2 we can equate. From equation 1 and 2 we get B sine A equal to A sine B. After simplification, A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B. We can make equation number 3. Similarly, if we draw the altitude from vertex A on the side BC, we get B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. From equation 3 and 4, we have A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C, which is the law of sine. Now we will discuss some questions based on sine rule. For example, in triangle ABC, if A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and sine equal to 2 by 3, find angle B. We can apply here sine formula. A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B. To find value of sine B, we can write the given formula in the form B upon A into sine A. We can substitute values of AB and sine A. We get sine B equal to 1, then 1 is the value of sine 90 degree, then angle B equal to 90 degree. More examples we have. In triangle ABC, if A equal to 18, B equal to 24, C equal to 30 and angle C equal to 90 degree, find sine A, sine B and sine C. Using sine formula, we can find the value of sine A. First apply the sine formula in the form A upon sine A equal to C upon sine C, because we have values of A, C and angle C. Then we can find value of sine A. Sine A equal to A upon C into sine C. We can substitute here values of A, C and sine C. We get sine A equal to 3 by 5. Similarly, we can apply again sine formula in the form of B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. We can find sine B equal to B upon C into sine C. We can substitute values of B, C and sine C to get value of sine C. Sine C equal to 1 we have. Value of sine B equal to 4 by 5. Then value of sine C equal to 1. Applying sine formula. In any triangle ABC, if the angles are in the ratio 1:2:3, prove that the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1:3:2. We can solve the given condition. Given that the angles of the triangle ABC are in the ratio, let three angles be A equal to theta, B equal to 2 theta and C equal to 3 theta. Applying sum of angle of a triangle property, we can find the value of theta, where theta equal to 30 degree, because we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Angle A equal to theta and value of theta equal to 30. Then we can write here A equal to 30 degree, B equal to 60 and C equal to 90 degree. Applying sine formula, we can find all values A, B, C. A upon sine 30, B upon sine 60, C upon sine 90. Sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 equal to 1. We can assume that all values equal to k. Then A equal to k by 2, B equal to k root 3 by 2 and C equal to k. So A ratio B ratio C equal to k by 2 ratio k root 3 by 2 ratio k. Now we can divide by k to find the ratio of side ABC. Hence the required ratio is 1 ratio root 3 ratio 2. Prove that A bracket sin B minus sin C plus B bracket sin C minus sin A plus C bracket sin A minus sin B equal to 0. By using sine formula in triangle ABC, we can write here A equal to k sin A, B equal to k sin B and C equal to k sin C. Taking LHS, we can substitute here values of ABC. After simplification, we can take k as common. Taking k as common, we can write here sin A into sin B minus sin A into sin A, multiply by sin A in bracket, multiply by sin B in the given bracket and multiply by sin C in the bracket. Then we can remove sin A into sin B by sin A into sin B. Similarly, we can remove all values. After simplification, we have RHS equal to 0.